I don't even know how to start it, so I'm just gonna show you the car. This is the state of things. Morning, welcome in part 2 episode of Audio Messenger. Hello guys, welcome in episode 2 of our little series, unexpected series with fixing the Beamer again. Last episode we took out everything that was broken and we could see the damage. The car looked like this. And then we took the car to our friend and he did an amazing job fixing the front of the car. And by fixing I mean straightening and kind of welding the new frame on the, I don't know the technical stuff, but let me show you the thing.
Не бито, не крашено.
The car is perfectly straight. Again, took us a couple days, not even a week, to collect all the parts, to buy all the parts that we need to put it all together. So we have all the parts inside the garage now. Most of the stuff we bought used. I was actually surprised that we could get so many things like E30. Yeah, let me show the parts. So as you can see, we have all the parts here. We have a new splitter, a new bumper, radiator, fan, all these plastic things, lights, and yeah, looks like everything that we need. So we have a hood outside as well. So we're just waiting until Adam is gonna finish working on his Prelude.
Sorry, who? You mean MK
Adam
Custom
from
69?
MK Custom 69, yeah, he's working on. Look at this guy. The funny thing, the funny thing, we got this beauty now. We got this beauty now here. You're gonna see in the next video. But he's still, well.
Wow.
Adam.
You got more joy from something it's hard to do, okay?
Wow, this guy, man.
Oh my day.
Okay, let's start working,
yeah,
I suppose.
Let's get this shit out when you finish. Put the Beamer in and smash it.
Let's go. Okay, so far we mounted the radiator and the bumper, but there's a few little things that we need to sort out. One of the lights with the whole front fits perfectly, but when we try to do this light, we realized that
we bought it online.
Yeah, it's completely different.
We bought it online and it was saying that it's E30, but it's either a different E30 model or it's like E34 or something, because it literally
maybe
nothing.
it's just from different country, like Asian or Europe or whatever.
No, but
they have the different mounts and stuff.
The mount doesn't fit. They don't fit to the car, and also they don't fit with the Grille thing. So
yeah, so that one we just need to order. So hopefully in like next 2 days we're gonna have it. I really hope so. And yeah, otherwise this is all connected. We're gonna run
we have this very sport tuning
racing
thing.
It's gonna match nicely with this.
This is from my Miata.
Okay, so what we need to do now is put some coolant inside from the top.
Top coolant.
Yeah,
yes.
top coolant, very good quality.
Very coolant.
Yeah, very coolant, and run it and see if it goes through the whole thing.
And then we need to mount the flipping. Where is it?
What?
Ah, there. Then we need to mount the fan, connect it and see if it turns on. So we're gonna mount the fan like so. It's not the biggest one, but I hope it's gonna do the job cooling the car.
Yeah, just gonna mount it kind of from the front there.
Basically today we wanna focus on having the car fully working. And then probably if we have a time, we're gonna try to connect the electricity to the lights and maybe mount, because there's no point of mounting everything properly because we still need to paint it. The bumper, this shit there, the hood and everything. So we wanna mount it like on zip ties, and then maybe in the future a professional workshop with mounted properly.
Yeah.
No, seriously, mount it correctly, see if everything aligns, more or less of course, because it's still a drift car, and then take it out and paint it, and then put it in back properly. For now, let's fill it up with the water, with the coolant.
From top?
Definitely. And then mount this and see if the cooling system is working. So because we are a very professional workshop now, what is wrong with you, man? You spilled the coolant over me.
Oh, sorry, coolant, not good.
So because we are a professional workshop now, we have a lift and everything. We also have this tap coolant, so we don't need to buy coolant. We have
And it's also clear, not those fancy colors.
yeah, clear tap coolant. Like this, and you don't need to go petrol station, buy coolant. We have tap. Alright, so what's the thing?
Well, me and Boogie put this whole ventilator thing, yeah? And then Sam comes back to the garage. Did you film it? We're like, no.
And of
So
course
we need
they
to do it
didn't.
again.
So now pretend you do it for the first
Oh
time.
yeah, first time putting this, you know.
You're proud of yourself.
Quick release mounting.
Film me, I'm doing something.
Morning. We have a day 2 when we work on E30. Today we're gonna install something nice on the back of the car, so the guys are getting rid of the big sticker from the back. And also we're gonna do some front stuff. Yesterday we checked the alternator, it doesn't work, it's broken because of the fire extinguisher powder, so we need to fix the alternator. We need to like drive it to the place where they're gonna fix it. It's gonna take a couple days, so we're just gonna do little bits and bobs we can do with the E30.
Okay, so actually, most of my life, and probably Sam's life as well, we wanted one day on a car to have this specific type of grill, you can say.
Roletka.
Roletka, yes. It's really hard to find them around, but we found a company that could actually make them, and look what we got. The company's name is autosportplastic.com. We actually were looking for that grill for a while, and then we found their company on Instagram, and we actually messaged them. I actually haven't taken it out yet.
Yeah.
Oh man. Man, this is every Eastern European boy's dream. When you have an E30 or a Lada, I think that's the two best cars to have this on. This is good. Okay. Man, this is nice.
Fit it on. Sheesh. Actually fits nicely.
Man. So I just want to say a big thank you to Autosport Plastic for sending it over. We're going to leave their links with the Instagram and their website in the description. So if you need anything, check them out.
We picked up the freshly fixed alternator, so we're gonna install that now, so the engine should work properly. And with engine working, we can bleed the cooling system and install lights and grille and everything on the other side of the car, and hopefully drive. Let's see.
morning, people on YouTube, internet. Today is day 3, pretty warm, so we decided to do the last finishing touches work outside. Okay, it's the next day, the paint is dry, but I cannot really show it to you there. So let me just... one moment. Wait.
Right, so, as always, not great, not terrible, cheap, that's what's important. The main point was to just make it the same color as the car. Obviously we don't have a paint booth here and anything. And,
Yet.
Wait, what else excuses can I make for my poor job? Yeah, so the hood is in the same color as the rest of the car as well as the bumper. Let's now get rid of the foil and see if there's any difference between the colors, because there might be.
Yes, let's check.
Because the hood was red before I painted and the car was black before we painted before, so might
Could
be
be a bit of a
slightly
shade, but
different shade. Yeah, that's
should be okay.
Okay, what do you say?
It's very, very
Okay.
okay. Very, very okay.
So the,
Very okay.
yo, that's just super nice.